Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund and MoneyMile present your goals, dreams and plans.
Hello and welcome to this special series, Your GDP, or what we call as Your Goal, Dream, Plan. Joining me today is well-known financial planner, Kiran Telang. Thank you very much, Kiran. It's always a pleasure talking to you. Lots of difficult moments people have gone through in the last 1 year. Kiran, you've always talked about the importance of asset allocation. And do you believe that in a crisis of this kind, and we continue to see extreme volatility, especially in the equity markets, how critical it is, especially in a crisis, to maintain your asset allocation?
Well, asset allocation is the base of any investment plan, especially in a time like this when we don't know what is going to happen. The equity markets have, behaved very widely over the last 1 year since it dropped in March 2020, and it has gone up almost 100% since then. At these points, it's always our emotions that come into play. There is this extreme pendulum swinging between fear and greed. So last March, there was a lot of fear as to what is going to happen. While if you really had a plan in place, you would know that it was the time to invest. So you could have invested in equity at that point in time. And again, now we don't know how it will pan out going from here. So probably this is a time, to take a stock of your asset allocation. So your asset allocation would have probably moved higher into the equity bracket, and your debt would be holding lower. So this is probably time to rebalance your asset allocation. So what happens in times of crisis or other times is asset allocation becomes the base for your decisions in your investment plan. Otherwise, you really wouldn't know what to do. You'll be totally lost, and you'll be on an emotional roller coaster, as Amit would say. So the emotional roller coaster will more often than not make you take wrong decisions at wrong points in time. So if you have an anchor in your asset allocation, it becomes that much easier, and more rational decisions are made based on that.
Thank you very much, Kiran Telang, for joining us. It's been a pleasure talking to you. Thank you for guiding our viewers through these difficult times, and stay safe, and look forward to speaking to you soon.
Thank you, Vivek. It's been a pleasure to be here.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.